Top of the morning, come along with me for part of my day. It's a beautiful day in Kingston City and I'm heading to the airport to go to Miami for 24 hours to shop. I hugged my sugar daddy goodbye as he wished me a safe flight, then I went inside to check in and get my boarding pass. The airport was really packed as a lot of people were traveling for the holidays. The security line was a bit long, but it didn't really matter because I was actually on time for my flight. No time to waste, I got upstairs, walked to the gates and boarded my flight. I got settled, made sure my mask was on correctly, then it was time for takeoff. Bye-bye, Jamaica. I ain't gonna lie, the view is so beautiful. It never gets old to me being in the skies. After the plane circling at the sky, it was time for me to eat my island grill, and I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of stingy with a stewed chicken and I felt some type of way. After I finished eat, by the time I blink, we landed in Miami. Got off the plane, headed to passport control, and I ain't gonna lie, I'ma walk on walks and my foot them tired. I knew I had to walk some distance, but I never really planned for walk for so long. From the airport, I headed straight to the mall to start shopping. First stop was Psycho Bunny. I looked around for a bit. They had some really cute polos, shirts, and other things. I saw a few things that I liked, so I picked up two little things and I headed out to the next store. The mall was kind of packed-ish as everybody was getting their last-minute holiday shopping in. I had to re-up on a few things, so I stopped at Sephora. Had to re-up on some Fenty products. I was running out, and I also needed new foundation. Had to re-up on my Olaplex. I needed a makeup brush, and I also picked up two more other little things. The two little things them come up to about $2.16 and change, so I grabbed everything, and then I went to get something to eat. Got to the Cheesecake Factory, which is one of my favorite restaurants to eat. I started out with a strawberry daiquiri, and I ain't gonna lie, it was hitting the spot, and it was oh so necessary. I got a 3-piece cheese pasta, which I absolutely devoured. I got outside, which was absolutely beautiful with decorations. I called my Uber and headed straight to my hotel to check in for the night. I checked in, got everything I needed, and headed straight into my room. I don't know if they didn't realize it was winter time, but the room was way too cold, so I'm gonna just bucket all the way to the highest degree. I went in the bathroom for bed and get ready for bed, and when I looked, my eyelash was falling off. I'm sitting there wondering if I said the eyelash did look all day, because I ain't gonna lie, of all the stores I've been into, somebody could have said, hey, miss, your eyelash. But never really feeling type of way, I was just too tired, so I just showered and went to bed. By the time I dropped asleep, it was time to wake up and keep going again. My bed, got dressed, packed up the two little things I'm in a suitcase, made sure I had everything, checked out of the hotel, and I was on the road again. Got in my Uber and I looked out, and it's a beautiful day in Miami, and I'm headed back to the mall again. When I walked in, I saw this really beautiful winter wonderland setup. It brought back so many memories. I stopped in the Louis Vuitton store. They had some really dope items and some really cool shoes as well. Nordstrom had hella stuff, and I also checked out the new Balenciaga store to check out their pieces as well. I popped over at Tiffany's because diamonds are a girl's best friend, and the lady had me try on some engagement rings. I told her they were all so beautiful, and I'll send Chris Brown over when he's ready. I left the mall and headed straight to the airport to check in for my flight back to Jamaica. I went and boarded my flight. By the time I did all that and got settled, I was exhausted. It was a really short flight from Miami, so by the time you quint, we were landing in Jamaica already. Got off the plane and walked as fast as my feet could take me towards immigration. Literally, after waiting more than an hour, we finally got our bags and I was outside the airport. I sat outside for like 2 minutes and my sugar daddy finally came and picked me up. When I sat inside the car, he said, "That's it, where's your other bag?" I said, "Oh, my other bag, I think I left it at duty free." Now, you know, once you walk out from customs, them not let you back in. I was saying to myself, look how I'm go America, go buy every things them and just left the suitcase at airport for somebody teeth it so. Now, I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. I could have ear bends in my neck back. I tell me, say, carry everything you left a road. Luckily, an airport security guard named David, he said he was a Chiney case supporter. He went inside and he was able to find my luggage for me. So shout out to him and the other immigration officers. Okay, bye.